To turn any image into beautifully crisp SVG graphics in just moments? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to transform your pictures into scalable vector art using the Luma-Loft Image to SVG tool. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Tools menu and locating the Image to SVG converter. Selecting this will launch the tool you'll use for vectorizing images. To upload your first image, simply click the Upload Image button. Then, pick the file you want to convert from your device, confirm, and your image is ready for conversion. Now, if your image has clean lines, you can simply click the Convert to SVG button to start vectorizing your image. If you want a closer look at the result, use the Preview slider to view the before and after side by side, allowing you to compare your original image with the vectorized version. When your SVG is generated, click the download icon to save it directly to your device. You'll find it instantly in your Downloads folder. Once you're done, you can close the conversion dialog and return to the main tool. Ready to convert a more complicated image? Just hit Upload again and select your next file. Before converting, explore the Settings panel where you can activate Vectorization Preparation with easy-to-use toggles. Choose from a variety of vector styles, including detailed line art or flat silhouette vector, which is ideal for logo vectorization. Click Use this style after you pick your favorite. Now, click Prepare Image before you convert to SVG for an even sharper output. While previewing, slide right or left to compare and inspect your result. If the preview meets your expectations, click Download to save. Or send your vector to another design tool for more editing. When you're finished, simply close the dialog to head back to the main workspace. Let's do another walkthrough. Upload a new image and get it ready for SVG conversion, just as before. Choose any of the vector art styles, confirm your selection, and hit Prepare Image. Let our model prep your file for cleaner vector lines. When your vector is complete, you can download it as PNG, or convert it as SVG. Try the Preview slider to quickly compare your results side by side. If your image needs adjustment, click Fine-Tune Settings, and use the Threshold slider to increase or decrease the black areas. Then, rerun the conversion. You can also switch between different image views and zoom in to closely examine the fine details. Once you're happy, download your files. Use the Convert feature as often as you need, and close open dialogues to stay organized. One final example. Upload another image, choose from your gallery, and follow the same simple steps for vectorization. Pick a drawing style, confirm, and let the system prep your image for best results. Convert your design to SVG, use quality sliders, and finish the process to produce a tailored result. Try out different drawing effects. Once you're satisfied, share your vector art directly with the community to earn reward points or save your final SVG to complete the transformation. You've just learned how to seamlessly convert your images to scalable SVGs with Luma-Loft. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative tech guides every week. Dive in and unleash your vector creativity.